Hi, today we are going to see for online case enroll system. First we can start the exam control panel. Next start with the Apache and MySQL. Then click on the MySQL admin. You can see the case and the database, and we can able to see the backend data on this table. Then go to the case folder. You can view the root files of case Android APK. Then open the readme file. Here you can view the case login details. Next, go to the Visual Studio. Left side you can see the build files and source code. Then start the Android emulator. Open the case app. Now you can view the online case enroll system. It has three modules: admin, police and judge, and then user. First we can start the admin. So click on the admin. Login into the admin homepage. Enter the email ID and password. admin@gmail.com. Login successfully. Admin create a system between the officers and the user. First we will start the location. Click on the location. You can view the officers locations, and then admin can create and update then delete the locations. Next we will go to the categories. You can view the all complaint categories, and admin can update and delete and then create a new categories. Then go to the add police and judge. Admin can add a new officers on this page. Enter the name, email ID and password. Then select the type of officers, police or judge, and then select the location. Then register the file. Then go to the view police and judge. You can view the all officers details on this page, and admin can create and update the details. Then go to the all reports. First of all, it's display the complaint status, and then you can search and select the location. Then you can see the reports. Then go to the home page. Click on the all feedback. Admin can view the user feedback on this page. Then go to the home page. You can see the my profile. My profile is used to update your contact details. Then we will move for the user. Click on the user. We have to sign up. You can see the sign up in the page of user login. Click on the click on the sign up. Register the given details. Enter your name, email ID, and enter your password. Then mobile number, enter your address, then city. Then click on the register. You enter a 8-digit password. Enter a special character. Your password must contain at least one capital letter and one special character, and then enter 8 digits of password. Register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Enter your email ID, user@gmail.com. Enter your password. Login successfully. Now you can see the user homepage. If you want to write a complaint, click on the new case, post a complaint, enter the given details, and then select the location and select the complaint type. Then write your complaint and post complaint. Next, go to the status. You can view your complaint status on this page, and then hiring and judgment details. Then go to the update map. If you want to update your location, so select and pin your location. Next, go to the proof. You can upload our complaint proof on this page. Click on the choose file and select file, then click on the submit button. Next, go to the feedback, enter the title, and then we can share our feedback about the complaint status. Feedback submitted successfully. Next, go to the admin info. If you want to contact to admin, we can using admin email ID and mobile number. Next, we will move for the police and judge. Log out in the user home page. Click on the police and judge. Enter the email ID and password, police@gmail.com. Login successfully. First, we will go to the complaint. Officers can see the user complaint on this page. Click on the update status. You can update our status. You can update our complaint status on this page. Police and judges can upload our FIR files and judgment details on this page. And click on the show map. You can view the complaint register location. Next, go to the report. You can see the all complaint status reports on this page. Come back to the home page. Go to the user. Officers can be see the all users details on this page. Click on the feedback. You can view the all users feedback on this page. That's the whole online case enroll system Android APK.